Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will learn Python's ordered dictionary. An ordered dictionary is a dictionary subclass that remembers the order in which key were first inserted. The only difference between dictionary and ordered dictionary lies in their handling of key order in Python. Let's write a program and understand ordered dictionary closely in Python. I have opened PyCharm editor and created a demo project where we will write some code. First import order dictionary from collection. From collection import ordered dictionary. Then you can create a empty ordered dictionary, right? Or you can create ordered dictionary with its type. I'm going to take key and values and then order dictionary. Either of the way you can create a object of order dictionary. You can add key value pairs to the dictionary by providing a key in a square bracket and assigning a value to that key. So I'm saying OD1, right? I have created three key values pair in this OD object. If you want to print OD, you will see that three key value pairs for this order dictionary, you see. Or if you want to print any specific key, you can just print like this. Okay. You can also pass an iterable of items as an argument to the constructor of ordered dictionary, right? I have one statement handy, you see. I've just taken a list of tuples into this list type, okay? And then I'm creating this ordered dictionary object. If you print, this will give you the same output, you see. When you use sequence such as list or a tuple, the order of the item in the resulting order dictionary matches the original order of item in the input sequence. On the other hand, if you are taking sets with all tuples, then your order of the keys will be decided after this order dictionary created. If you print the letters, so your order will not be matched. Okay, let's run the program. You can see the order of the keys which are not matched as you created, right? You can create an ordered dictionary by passing key arguments to the class constructor this way, right? 1, 2, and 3. These are keyword argument. This way also you can create ordered dictionary. Okay, you see the output will be same. Ordered dictionary also provide FromKeys method which creates a new dictionary from an iterable of keys and sets all its value to a common value. Let me remove all this code and I have one snippet, right? We have taken a list of keys here in this object and then we have passed this list of keys in FromKey method on ordered dictionary class. You see, and by default we have taken a value as 0 for all the keys. You see, you can insert new items, update and remove existing items. If you insert a new item into an existing ordered dictionary, then the item is added to the end to the dictionary. Let me print this object again. So you will see this key value pair is added to the end of this object. If you delete an item from existing ordered dictionary and insert the same item again, then the new instance of item is placed at the end of the dictionary, right? How to delete? Let me delete one, okay, then print it. So one is no more in this ordered dictionary object. But if you want to add one again, so it will be then added to the end of the dictionary. This is the point that I want to show here. Okay. You see, one is now added to the end of the dictionary. If you update the value of a given key in an ordered dictionary, then the key isn't moved but assign the new value in place. In the same way, if you use update method to modify the value of an existing key value pair, then the dictionary remembers the position of the key and assigns the updated value to it. What does it mean? Let me update any value of one key, right? OD. This time I'm taking 2 as a key and then I'm updating 22 as a value and then print OD, right? So you will see that 2 is updated, right, with 22. On the other hand, if we use update method and then I'm using keyword argument, let's say 2, I'm just saying 33 and then print OD. 2 is again updated because this method actually remembers the position of the key and we are assigning the updated value to it. Okay, either you can update the value this way or this way. Now let's see how to iterate the value from this order dictionary object, right? Even let me take this object. We are going to iterate this ordered dictionary object with help of for loop. We're using for. Let me take key as a variable and this OD object, right? We will print. You can iterate your ordered dictionary object. You see 1, 2, and 3. We can also use items method on this ordered dictionary object, and here we can get key and value together, right? Key and value. This is other way. Okay. If you want to iterate only keys, then you can just say dot keys. This method you can use. Okay. Let me remove key from here. You will see that ordered that key. Okay. So you will get key and then its value. If you only want values, then you just use values method, all right? And let me take this value and we have value. Okay, you see 1, 2, and 3 all are values. Okay, not keys. The reverse feature was added to regular dictionary in Python 3.8 version. If we need to reverse all the key value pairs for order dictionary object, we can use just reversed this built-in. Okay, and your all key value pairs will be reversed. Okay, you see 3, 2, and 1. Since Python 3.6, regular dictionaries have kept their items in the same order that they were inserted into the underlying dictionary. This limits the usefulness of ordered dictionary, as you have seen so far. However, ordered dictionary provides some unique feature that you cannot find in a regular dictionary object. Ordered dictionary has two extra enhanced methods: move to and pop item. Move to end is a new method added in Python 3.2 that allows you to move an existing item either to the end or to the beginning of the dictionary. I want to move this key to the end. So how you will do that? You have to use just move to end method. And which key you want to move to the end? That is 2. Okay. Now print OD. You will see 2 is now moved to end. We have one argument on this method, that is last. If you say last as true, which means that your item will be moved to the end. Okay. By default, it is true. If you make it false, then your key will be moved to beginning of the object. You see, 2. Let's remove items with a pop item method. By default, pop item methods removes and return an item in LIFO, last in first out order. Od dot pop item. Okay. This pop item will also return the item which is moved out, right? Which is deleted. Okay. Run the program. You will see that 3 is removed, but we have not printed this object again. So then it will give us the updated value. You see, 3 is now popped out. Only 2 items are remaining in this ordered dictionary. If you use this method again, then again the last item will be removed. 2 is removed. You see, only 1 is remaining. This key. This is how it works. We have one argument on this function that is last. If we say last is first, then your item will be removed from the beginning of the object. Run the program. You see, 1 is removed, 2 is remaining. So maybe I'm just running this program again. So you see, so 1 is removed, right? If you say it is true, then it will be deleted from the end of the object. You see, 3 is now removed. 1 and 2 is remaining. Now let's check equality comparison in Python ordered dictionary. Okay, I'm going to remove this code and I have one code snippet handy to save some time. I have taken 3 ordered dictionary object, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 3, 2. Here you see the order is changed in this third order dictionary object. We wanted to check the equality of these objects. What I am going to say that print od1 equals od2. So it will return that it is true because ordered dictionary in Python can be compared for equality not only based on their content but also considering the order of insertion. This is useful when comparing two ordered dictionary for both key value pairs and their order, right? If you compare OD1 with OD3, then this will return false because the order will not match. However, values are same. You see, if you try this the same thing using regular dictionary, then you will get a different result. Okay. I have an example for standard dictionary as well, right? You see, this is a standard dictionary in Python and that we have taken these values and these orders. Okay. Here the order is different. You see, now if you run the program, then you will see that order does not matter. You see, we have got true and true. While with the ordered dictionary, we were getting false here. Performance is an important subject in programming. Keep in mind that generally ordered dictionary has lower performance than regular dictionaries. For years, Python dictionary were unordered data structure. This revealed the need for an ordered dictionary that helps in situation where the order of items is important. So Python developers created ordered dictionary which was especially designed to keep its item ordered. Now you are in better position to make an educated decision on whether to use dictionary or ordered dictionary. That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.